Namaste. So today we will study about the structure of the skin. So let's start from the little introduction. The skin and the appendage, nails, hair, and certainly certain glands form the large organ in the human body, which is surface area of 2m2 means. As we all know, the skin is the largest organ of our body. The skin comprises of the 15% of the total body weight. Its thickness range from zero point 0.1 mm at its thickness part eyelid to um, so at the eyelid it is the thinnest part of the skin and to 1.5 mm at its thickest part palm. So palm and the sole of the feet is the thickest part of the skin. The article review its structure and function. Structure of the skin. The skin is divided into several layers as you can see in the below figure. The epidermis is composed of mainly of keratinocytes. Beneath the epidermis is the basement membrane, also known as the dermal junction. This narrow, multi-layered structure anchors the epidermis to dermis. The layer before the dermis and hypodermis consist largely of fat. The structure are described below. You can see here. This is the structure of cross section of the skin. So you can see here. This is the three-layer epidermis, dermis, and fat layer. Okay, this is the sweat gland. You can see from where the sweat is coming out. These are the capillaries. These are the nerve which connect to the dermis from the fat layer. Then this is the blood vessels which are attached to the hair follicle. So the hair grow and this is the oil in it. You can see the sebaceous gland in this. Then the basement membrane, the stratum cornea, which we can also call as keratin membrane. Epidermis. The epidermis is the outer layer of the skin, defined as the stratified squamous epithelium, primarily comprised keratinocyte in the progressive state of differentiation. Keratinocytes produce the protein keratin and are the major building protein of the epidermis. As the epidermis is avascular, it is entirely depending on the underlying dermis for nutrient delivery and waste disposal through the basement membrane. The primary function of the dermis is to act as a physical and biological barrier to the external environment, prevent penetration by irritant and allergens at the same time. So you can see the epidermis is composed of layers. Most body part have whole layer, but those are the thickest skin have five. The layers are stratum corneum, horny layer, then stratum lucidium, the found in the thin skin, palm hand, thick skin, palm hand, and the sole. Then the stratum granulosum, granular layer, then stratum spinosum, prickly layer, stratum basilae, germinative layer. So these are the layer of skin. You can see the stratum corneum, stratum lucidium, stratum granulosum, stratum spinal, spinosum, stratum basilae, basement membrane, and epidermis and dermis, which is two type, which are subdivided into these. So next is the dermis. The epidermis also contain other cell structure. Keratinocytes make up around 95% of the epidermis cell population. So you can see this diagram. This is the 14 days, and then after 14 days stratum corneum, then it is removed. This is the desquamaceous process of the skin. So hope you will like the video. We will study this further in brief. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.